There are now more mobile phone users in developing markets than in developed markets. The growth story across the African region continues. Together with the Middle East, Africa will be the fastest growing mobile subscription markets within globally, I mean. The growth momentum continues to be fueled by network expansion by the mobile operators beyond the urban and the semi-urban areas, more into the rural areas. From a base of 265 million at end 2007, we expect this to grow to 405 million over the next 5 years. So yeah, come 2012, we are looking at a subscription base of 405 million. In 2008, we expect to see 4 million net adds per month coming on board. Nigeria is one interesting market which basically carries no secrets. The growth momentum we are seeing in that market should see Nigeria becoming the largest mobile subscription market in Africa, surpassing South Africa in early 2008. Come next year, we are projecting net adds of 10 million, and that should take the subscription total in Nigeria to a little over 50 million, as compared to South Africa's 46 million. Ethiopia is also the next big thing waiting to happen. It remains the one last major market yet to be liberalized. As to when that is going to happen, it's anybody's guess, but that's an interesting market to look out for, given that we have a population of 70 million. The challenges faced by operators in today's market is managing this growth profitably. Moving out into the rural areas, well, it comes at a cost. Or let me put it this way, the expansion into rural areas comes definitely at a cost. It's increasing the CAPEX and the OPEX burden. And with declining ARPU as the subscription base increases, operators definitely face problems with EBITDA margins going forward. Well, it basically puts pressures on EBITDA margins going forwards, which just calls for them to look into different ways of doing things, need more efficiencies so as to make the most they can out of each subscription, draw more value out of the subscriptions. A couple of years back, the debate or the discussion around data was whether or not a market existed for it. Today, the issue is more to do with what is the best technology to basically deliver this data. And when I say data, I refer to broadband internet access, for which we see a growing demand, a gradually growing demand in the market, largely being driven by the corporate sector, a growing middle class, and the spread of internet cafes across the region. With fixed line infrastructure not well developed across the region, I think the wireless operators are best poised to actually tap into this growth market.